Unless you comply, you're going to catch an obstruction charge.
I will sue the fuck out of you because I'm suing the sheriff department as it is right now.
Listen
so I
to me.
suggest you call the
I need to talk about you are directly involved. You're in extreme denial and you're covering it up. And you have no right to be on my property. You can't get me in my home. You can't get me on my...
It's almost amusing how quickly that fake smile fades when reality hits. They act sweet at first, thinking charm will get them out of anything until it doesn't.
Get exactly what are you doing now? I told you what you said. I am in the car. I'm in my car.
You're gonna get tased.
I'm in my car.
Stop
pulling on me.
to my dogs.
Moving.
At Law Frame, we reveal what happens when ego meets the badge. Let's see how it all unravels in When Entitled Karens Smile at Cops Until Things Turn Ugly, starting with the first incident.
Unless you comply, you're going to catch an obstruction charge.
I will sue the fuck out of you because I'm suing the sheriff department as it is right now.
Listen
so
to
I
me.
suggest you call the sheriff.
On May 23rd, 2025, a car that had been reported stolen was stopped by police.
Good, my name's Officer Maloney of the Athens County Police Department.
Okay.
The reason I'm stopping you guys this evening is this is a stolen car.
Do what?
Yep.
I just bought this.
You just bought it?
Yeah.
Okay. You got your driver's license with you?
I did not.
Okay.
I left my purse at home.
You left your purse at home?
I can tell you my name.
Yeah, absolutely. Go ahead and hop out for me real quick, all right?
Okay.
I don't have a license.
We're just going to get you to step out. It's a stolen vehicle. We'll work it out.
No, I
Go ahead and
just
hop back.
bought
Hop
this.
back here for me.
It's reported stolen.
Hop back here for me. You don't need your dog. You
Yeah, I got you.
can hold back here for me, okay? You just bought the car.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have the bill of sale with you?
No, the lady told me that I had to go to the DMV.
To get the bill of sale?
Yeah, and the tag and all that.
Do you have the title?
No, she said that she was going to send it to me.
So, I guess walk me through this transaction.
Yeah, this is the first time I bought this, like a car.
Yep.
Literally, I met her on Marketplace on
Okay.
Facebook, and she said that I gave her the money, and she said that she's going to meet me sometime tomorrow for the title.
Okay. Your
But I
puppy's
thought I
really
could
cute. I
go-
pet your puppy.
Thank
He's
you.
really cute.
So I thought maybe Monday I could send it
Okay.
When questioned, the woman repeatedly acted uncooperative and argued that she had purchased the vehicle but was unable to provide any proof.
Since I want to ask you questions about this, okay, obviously you're not free to leave right now. It's showing us on. I'm
Obviously.
going to read you your rights real quick, okay? Does not mean you're under arrest. It just means that I want to talk to you about it, okay? Do you understand each of those rights?
I want a lawyer.
You do not. Okay, you don't want to talk about it at all?
I just want to see what the hell's going on.
That's what I'm trying to figure out, and the only way I can do that is by talking with you.
Yeah.
And so, but you just told me you don't want to talk to me.
Well, I obviously want a lawyer at all times, but also like if you ask me a question and I answer it, then I want a lawyer.
Okay, so you don't want to talk to me?
I mean, yeah. I mean, am I under arrest? You said no.
You're not free to leave, right?
But-
You're detained because the car is stolen.
Exactly.
Okay. I'm trying to figure out if there's...
I just told you. So, am I under arrest? Yes or no? Or like the car's stolen? So what do we do from here? I go to jail or no?
I'm trying to figure that out, okay? 'Cause
Yeah,
sometimes...
I'd like to know because.
Okay.
Just because you're in a vehicle.
Okay, here's what we're going to go with, okay? I'm trying to explain this to you, okay? I don't know if you're not picking up on it or what's going on, okay? So, sometimes cars get reported stolen, okay? And it's a civil issue, like it, okay? That's what I'm trying to figure out right now, okay? Is your side of things as to why,
I'm just going to read this to you real quick. You have the right to remain silent.
what's going on, okay?
Yeah.
If you don't want to talk to me, that's okay. It's 100% your right.
I want to
However,
know,
I'm trying to figure out,
like, what the hell did this lady? Did she sell me a damn stolen car?
And ask for a lawyer or stop.
Like, what the hell?
okay, so do you want to talk to me or not?
Yes.
Okay,
I'm talking to
how
you.
much did you buy the car for?
$2,500
So you bought it for $2,500.
cash. Yeah.
Cash. Okay. Can you kind of walk me around the whole like interaction of everything?
Yeah, seen it on Facebook, and I messaged her and said that I was interested in it. We set up a time and place to meet.
Okay.
And literally, I liked the car, and I gave her the money for
Okay. When did you buy it?
it yesterday.
You got it yesterday? From
Yeah.
where?
I got it from Greenville.
From Greenville?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was
Do
coming down here.
you guys live here?
Yeah, I have family here.
You live here? Is this?
No, you blue lighted me, so I pulled in.
You were pulling in here before I turned
yeah,
my
I
blue lights
know,
on.
because
Did you pull in here because you were trying to
this
not?
dog's got a shit. That's,
Okay. Who's this guy?
That is my boyfriend.
Your boyfriend? Okay. How long you guys been together?
For a couple weeks now.
A couple weeks?
Yeah, I've known him for a very long time.
I got you. Okay. And you bought this yesterday.
Yeah.
For how much again?
25.
Okay. And there's no bill of sale?
No, like she said, I had to get it from the DMV.
When we say 25,000 or 2,500?
25,000.
25,000?
Yeah,
You told me
like
2,500.
Like either it was 2,500. She told me that the bill of sale had to get it Monday from the thing, but the title I was supposed to get tomorrow.
Do you have any messages on your phone that I can look at that
No,
corroborate
'cause I
this all?
don't. No.
At that point, officers decided to arrest her, but she showed no sign of improving her attitude.
Okay, you're under arrest. Okay.
So what are you arresting me for?
Vehicle stolen.
Okay.
You have it.
So it wasn't my knowledge that it was stolen. So I would like.
That's correct. That's why.
It's a pretty much conspiracy that I stole the vehicle.
So it's kind of like when we go on, we have to go based on reasonableness. It doesn't seem reasonable.
Okay, so you're gonna arrest me
I was
just
asking, I'm
because
sorry.
somebody reported the car
You
stolen.
asked me a question, I was answering it for
And I did not know, so I'm getting
No, I have a
arrested
cage. I need
for
a-
not
I want
being
a ride.
my knowledge.
you. You asked me a question, I was trying to answer it for you, but you interrupted me. Would you like me to answer your question?
I would like you to call my dad, please, and my lawyer. He'll call my lawyer,
something you
but
can do at the jail, okay?
oh, absolutely can. But I will. But this is not. I'm getting arrested for something that under my knowledge, not my knowledge.
Even after being escorted into the patrol car, she still refused to admit any wrongdoing.
Hey, Casey, how did the car key get in his pocket?
Well, I mean, I don't know. I have two of them. He's my boyfriend.
Where's the second key at?
Cup holder.
Cup holder, okay. That works for that car because we tried to start it, but it just said no key detected.
Yeah, because it's my car.
But nothing personal, but like we've established, it's not your car.
It is actually.
Are you the person that reported it stolen from Clemson?
Why would I report a car stolen and just bought?
Well, you bought a stolen car. And what I was trying to tell you earlier.
I shouldn't go to jail for it.
What I was trying to tell you earlier is your story was all over the place, and it doesn't seem
I know my damn story.
reasonable.
Literally, I went and gave the damn bitch $2,500, and my car turns out to be stolen.
And you didn't get a bill of sale?
Because you're supposed to get it from the DMV, I thought.
No.
Well, I don't know.
And can you provide us any information on this person you bought the car from?
I mean, Marketplace. I can try to show you the messages, but I mean, he has my phone. We share a phone. I don't have a phone right now. Like I do, but I don't have service. So it just got off work.
Where exactly did you go when you bought it?
Greenville.
I'm sorry?
Greenville.
Okay. Like, yeah, but Greenville's a big city. It's, like
Or Cherrydale.
like anywhere specific, Walmart parking lot, police department,
We was at the shopping center.
Which shopping center?
The one right there where there's like a.
Talk to me like I know nothing about
like
Greenville.
There's a movie theater and there's like an old Navy.
I don't have to ask you these questions. We're trying to find ways that we
I
can.
asked for a lawyer.
Okay. Anyway, so you're saying you don't want to answer any questions? Is that what you're saying?
I know exactly what the hell happened. I'm telling you what the hell happened. And I want a lawyer.
Okay. So you're saying you want a lawyer and you don't want to answer any questions. What I was just asking if there's things that we could look at as far as to validate that would have security cameras. Because it's 2025. There's cameras in all these stores. Like Walmart's got a whole bunch. Police department's got them and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But you said lawyer, so you're not only under arrest for the stolen car, obviously. Got a bunch of fentanyl and meth and pill and things like that. So you're going to go to jail for those as well. Just got to figure out how much. Do you know what the trafficking weight for fentanyl is in Georgia?
I don't know, but yeah.
Okay. I pulled that out of your bag. I was just letting you know, anything more than 4 grams, got to weigh it, and we'll go from there, okay?
When officers later requested her fingerprints to confirm her identity, she became irritated and increasingly aggressive.
See, I know you like to talk. I want you to listen to me right now.
Yeah, you need to listen.
You have a lot going on right now. You're about to get another charge for
You
obstruction.
need to call my dad immediately.
That's not how this works. When I have in court here, you're under arrest. You need to let her scan your fingerprints so we can confirm who you
Call
are.
the sheriff now.
In the 3 seconds, unless you
call the
comply, you're
sheriff.
going to catch an
I will
obstruction
sue
charge.
the fuck out of you because I'm suing the sheriff department as it is right now.
Listen
so
to
I
me.
suggest you call the sheriff.
No, we're not calling the sheriff. Are you going to provide your finger
No,
to
you need
this
to call
officer?
Danny Singleton. Now.
Who is Danny Singleton?
The sheriff of South Carolina.
Oh, you're not in South Carolina. You're in Georgia. Provide
Yes,
your fingerprint,
there's a
ma'am.
reason.
Ma'am, provide your fingerprint to her. You're going to be charged with obstruction on top of everything else we got going on.
And you're going to mess up an investigation for Boston, so I suggest you please call the sheriff.
No, we're in Clark County, Georgia.
Yeah.
All right, you're good. You're under arrest for obstruction now, too, and you're going to be booked into jail as Jane Doe because we can't confirm your identity.
You can look it up on Facebook, TikTok, anything you want.
Well, what we need to do is check your driving status and your
I'm also,
Facebook.
Matthew
Facebook doesn't
Lowell,
count as
so
Facebook
literally
doesn't
who I
count
am.
as your actual ID out of a state. So
Yes, it does. When literally it shows I live in that state. I'm all over that state. I'm from both of here.
This Karen was accused of drug use obstruction and possession of a stolen car, which reflects her lack of cooperation with law authorities as well as her participation in stolen items. Everybody has an opinion, and the people who left comments below this video are no different. She looks simultaneously 12 years old and 50. Entitled, "No Dumb as a Box of Rocks." She didn't even question it. As soon as the cop said it was stolen, she wasn't surprised at all, bad liar. This situation shows that being uncooperative and aggressive only makes things worse and leads to more serious consequences. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe to LawFrame for more articles. We'll move on to the next scenario right away so as not to keep everyone waiting too long.
Nothing to talk about. You are directly involved. You're in extreme denial, and you're covering it up. Right? You have no right to be on my property. You can't get me in my home. You can't get me on my...
On April 8th, 2025, police surrounded a woman with an outstanding arrest warrant, but she refused to cooperate, stayed in the car, and kept shouting.
You have no goddamn right. I'm telling the truth.
We believe you, Laura.
You're all gonna...
I can't.
What do you need to say?
I want to talk to you about everything you've been calling in about.
There's nothing to talk about. You are directly involved. You're in extreme denial, and you're covering it up. Right? You have no right to be on my property. You can't get me in my home. You can't get me on my motherfucking property.
Will you listen if I try to explain things right now?
Can't talk to you when you're doing that.
What do you need to... I'm telling the truth. You're terrorist.
Oh, well,
Okay.
You long harassed me and tried to silence me. I'm telling the truth.
I want to hear what you got to say.
We'd like to hear you.
You! This is my property. You have no right. I have every right. Go away.
We're not going away.
I'm not
We-
stepping out either.
We can't go away, Laura.
You're scumbag terrorists. I bet.
Laura. Laura.
I'm telling the truth. You're
Laura.
in extreme denial.
Well, I want to help you. What can I do to help you right now? What can I do? What can I do to help you right now?
I've already told you. I called all night.
Okay, I just called on this morning.
To my property, provide some kind of support and protection, and alert the. I've already told you.
Oh.
And you're in denial. You're covering it up, and so are they. You all need to die.
What am I covering up?
I'm being terrorized.
Okay.
The people terrorizing me are the Antichrist. You are a part of them.
I've never been a part of the anti.
She even kept honking the horn to ignore officers.
Laura.
Just get me riled up. No thanks.
Okay, I want to know what I can do to help you. Well, at this point, we can't do that.
Laura. We need you to come out. Laura.
We're not trying to silence you. You can say whatever you want, and we'll listen.
All you do.
I have patience.
All you do.
Hey, stop beeping for a minute. We have a warrant for you.
You're scumbags and you're harassing me.
Listen to me. We're not going away.
Oh well, you're terrorists.
Okay. Step out so we can step out. Step out so you can go see Laura.
At that point, police were forced to break the window and pull her out of the vehicle to arrest her.
Windows, right? Come on out.
You're getting out of the car now.
Obviously.
Let's go.
Okay.
Open the door on your own. We've had enough of this.
You're terrorists.
That's right.
Be careful. Can I empty my shoes?
In a minute. What will you all do? Turn around, put your...
You're a terrorist and I'm telling the truth and you're going to pay for that.
All right, maybe we will.
No, you are.
You should have listened to us, though. We wouldn't have had to do that.
Come into custody with you? You're trying to silence me.
Open up the...
This is all you do is try to silence me. You're scumbag.
Not really.
You're in denial. Extreme denial. You're...
You got another
Oh, yeah. How many light bulbs? How many light bulbs is this, guys? You're exactly fresh to it, scum. Real.
Hold on. Don't turn around yet.
You can probably take these off here. Do you have anything in your pockets, Laura? No. All right. This could have been a lot easier.
You're scumbag terrorists. I've been calling the entire night. Yeah, it could have been a lot easier. You could have came out here when I asked you to.
Officers did last night.
No, I asked you to come here and sit in my property and you refused to do so. I said stay here until the federal authorities come, because that's what this needs. You're harassing people, you're exploiting people, and you're terrorizing. You're terrorists. You're all gonna spend the rest of your fucking lives behind bars. I'm gonna see to it.
All right, relax.
All right, Laura, do you want to kick off your shoes and get this glass out?
Is it out
Out
of
of
there?
there? Okay. Nothing on you? No. Okay. Back to Chris's car.
Yeah.
You on tow?
In the end, she was taken to the station.
One night.
No, you get service. Can you give me a call?
Pretty soon. We just pulled in a garage.
I'll have a few minutes over here, so.
So, do we have any
I'm
symptoms
telling the truth, you're terrorists, and you need to turn yourselves in. You're gonna spend the rest of your fucking lives behind bars.
I'll work on that, but right now.
You're gonna spend. Look into my eyes. You're gonna spend the rest of your lives behind fucking bars.
Wonderful, wonderful. But right now,
Yeah,
I'll
I
just ask you a
bet.
few
Well,
questions.
yeah, we'll add that to the remark. Wonderful.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, we'll add that too.
So, do you have any medical issues we need to be worried?
Yourself,
Okay, thanks.
piece of.
Right.
Are you thinking
about
about
hurting yourself
in
in
any
any
way?
Try to get that.
No, these people are terrorists, and I'm telling the truth. I've long tried to report that I'm being terrorized. I've been calling all night to 911. You didn't have the right to arrest me in my home, or you like to chase me around in the community because you're slime buckets who are in extreme denial.
We're just waiting on a female to patch you up.
Okay.
If you want. That's one.
Take that. That's the place right now.
That'd be a good start. Is it, who did the warrant?
I did.
No.
Italy.
Dempsey? Okay. So it's cat warrant.
Yeah, and he's going to be revoking her bail from the last, so. We need.
We'll take that one back if you want to make a copy.
Hey. Hello.
Jeff,
How's you been?
You're terrorists, and I'm telling the truth.
Like that?
You're in extreme denial. Yes, the truth. Just like this, as a matter of fact. You're terrorists. I'm telling the truth, and you're in extreme denial, and you're going to spend the rest of your life behind bars, you little
Ma'am, I need you to turn around so I can get the handcuffs off. And she's gonna pat search you. Hand on the wall.
Do you have anything in your pockets?
No, nothing. I don't believe me.
Other hand on the wall.
Take your shoe off for me. Okay, let's go inside.
Have a seat there in that gray chair.
This Karen could face charges such as obstruction or resisting arrest, failure to comply with police orders, and additional charges related to the existing arrest warrant. Given the bizarre circumstances, the remarks made following the video's distribution are equally significant. As soon as that window was smashed, she shut her mouth for a second or two. OMG, what is the point of honking the horn? Ma'am, chill out. This shows that resisting the police only makes the situation worse and adds more consequences. This Karen is very obstinate, isn't she? For more stuff, subscribe to Law Frame if you like this. The next Karen will react much more violently, so keep an eye out.
Get exactly what are you doing now?
I told you, Laura, you didn't want to get out.
I'm in
Get out,
my
you're
car.
gonna get tased.
I'm in my car.
Get out, you're gonna get tased.
I'm in my car.
Get out of the car.
Stop pulling on me.
On November 15th, 2025, officers pulled over a car because the driver had been involved in a battery.
Get in the car. Get back in the car. I don't care. You need to get back in the car.
You guys sit in the car.
For what? Get in the car.
For what?
Stretching my legs.
Actually, come here. Come here for a second. Come here. Just come here for a second. Stand right here. Okay, just chill here for a second. You want to talk to them for a moment?
Stay in the car.
Nothing happened.
Get in the car.
No.
Let us talk to you. You need to stay in the car right now.
What are you doing to my son?
Why?
Why are you harassing him?
This is a traffic stop. I'm not harassing
It's
him.
not
You
a
need to get in the
traffic
car.
stop. No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Because two people. No.
And what's stopping you during you pulled over? Get in the car. Do you want to be
You're
detained?
stopping me because two little
Okay, so if you don't listen to me, you're going to get put in cuffs right now.
Two
Please get in
little
the car.
dudes. I can't get in my car.
Why not?
Because I.
As the woman continued shouting and refusing to cooperate, officers immediately moved to arrest her.
No, you're not.
Yes, you are.
No, you're
Get
not.
detained.
Hey! Stop!
Get out the car.
She did what you said. I did what you said. What are you doing to me? I did exactly what are you doing now?
I told you, Laura, you didn't want to get out.
I'm in
Get
my
out,
car.
you're going to get tased.
I'm in my
Get out,
car.
you're going to get tased.
I'm in my car.
Get out of the car.
Stop pulling on me.
Get out of the car right now.
Why is he doing this? Hey, stop.
You're going to get
I
tased.
got it.
Get out of the car. We're not playing games.
I gave her direct orders and she doesn't look.
No, you didn't.
I told you to get in the car several times.
You said it's a traffic stop. That's a lie.
You're supposed to get in the car.
That is a lie. It's not a traffic stop.
You're being detained.
It's not a traffic stop. It's a lie.
Hey, it's okay. Hey, everything's cool.
They're lying. They're lying. It's not a traffic stop.
It is a traffic stop. It's called an investigative traffic stop for the
Yeah,
moment.
because two people called and lied.
Relax.
They tried to hit my son and hit my mother and my kid with the car.
And we're supposed to talk to you about that, but we haven't got to that.
About it, but you gotta listen and follow
Okay,
instructions.
can I breathe? Can I breathe, please? I'm asthmatic.
Let's just
Can I
make
please
sure we
breathe?
separate them, so maybe you just have her sit in the...
I don't want to sit in the car. I'll stand over here on the back side. I don't want to sit there.
She was then escorted for questioning, but kept arguing.
Stand fine.
Listen. I shouldn't have to
Listen,
do all.
I'm upset because these two little kids almost hit my mom and my baby, and then they tried to hit my son.
Let me slow down first, okay? The reason I told you to stay in the car is because it's for officer safety reasons. I don't want to have to pull you out of the car, but when I give you instructions, I need you to listen to me, okay?
I'm sorry,
Because it's
yes,
officer
I
safety.
know.
It's me and it's two of
Yes,
us, okay?
I hear you.
And there's more than you than us.
I'm sorry. I will listen. But I'm upset because they tried to run my mother over with my baby.
Okay, listen, I just want to read you these, okay? I want to cross my T's, dot my I's. I'm going to read you your right.
Understand that, understand. But yes, I got what you're saying.
Okay. So, we got, I'm telling you what we got, okay?
I know. I was there when he was calling you guys.
We got a call about the vehicle matching your description and someone matching your description as well as your clothing. There was an incident where you guys were fighting in the parking lot for whatever
We were
reason.
arguing, but okay.
Someone
Nobody touched
someone
anybody.
got tackled, and I mean, we don't know
No,
the
I
truth.
didn't tackle him. You can go watch the videos.
I mean, we will do
Okay,
that.
please do,
But
because I didn't touch him. I didn't have my contact.
I'm just letting you know what we heard, so I just want to talk to you and get your statements, okay?
That's fine, but I know he's
So-
lying. I'm telling you right now, he's lying. That's
So,
fine.
Tell me from the beginning, what is going on?
Okay, when we were coming out to my car, we just got from Walmart. I was pushing the car with the stuff. My mom was in one of those motorized wheelchair thingies, whatever, that Walmart has, that all the stores have, because she can't walk very well. And she was holding my daughter. And they almost hit my mom in the cart when they were pulling in. They almost hit her. And then when my son's walking out, they see him and they speed up and almost hit him too. And I said something to him because it's disrespectful. And then they got out of their cars and I said, that's pretty rude. You need to learn how to drive. I got pissed. I did. And I cussed at him. I didn't touch them. Neither one of them. He fell running. And he goes, so what if I did? And that pissed me off even more. You almost hit my child and my mother. And then you almost hit my son. And all you can say is, so what?
Okay.
And then I was gonna get him. I was going to, but I didn't. I started to run after him and he fell. I started to run after him and he fell. And that's when he said, I'm calling the police, you assaulted me. That's assault. I didn't touch you.
So no one put their hands on each other?
No,
It was just arguing, you called him out about the mom was hitting your grandma and your child.
Yeah.
And he got all upset, you guys were arguing in the parking lot.
Yes, and he said, I'm calling the cops, it's assault, it's assault. Yeah, I started running towards him, and he started running.
Okay.
And he fell.
He fell. Okay.
And that's when he said, I'm calling the cops, that's assault, that's assault. I said, nobody touched you. He goes, look at the cameras, you touched me. No.
Well,
I was like maybe this far from him when he fell. How could I touch him?
Okay. Well, legally, if we're talking, so battery is when someone puts their hands on it. You know what I mean? So if you didn't touch him, then there's no battery. You're right. Assault is when you make someone believe they're about to be harmed, physically harmed.
He did that to us when he almost hit my mother and when he almost hit my son.
Okay.
He did that to both of them. My child in the back seat there, she's not even 2.
Yeah.
And my other son and my mother.
Yeah.
And that's okay for him to do that, though?
I mean,
and be like, so what about it? That's exactly what he said.
It's not okay. It's not okay for anybody to be doing all this. I feel like both of you should have just...
I know I should have. I really... But it upset me when he did it to both of them.
Yeah.
Like, I tried to let it go, but like I said, then he does it to... He's literally seen my son when he was turning. He turned the corner down the row probably about 15 miles an hour. And there was a car, he literally stopped maybe this close to the back of another vehicle.
Okay, and your son was driving?
No, I'm driving.
You were driving?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so when you saw that happen, you kind of pulled over.
No, I wasn't driving. Nobody was driving. The back was open like that and we were loading it up with our stuff.
I see, and he came down and was...
Yes. My mom was right there.
Driving a little too fast, and you almost hit your mom, and then almost hit your son.
Yes.
You called him out on it.
Yes.
You guys started arguing.
Yeah. No, he just said, I'm going to call the cops. Before I even did anything, he said, I'm calling the cops for assault.
Okay.
Because I didn't do nothing. All I did was yell at him.
He said he's going to call after you chased after him?
Before that, he said
before?
that. And then he did after I chased him.
Okay, so after you chased him, and then he fell, and then...
Yes.
Then you guys already left.
Yes.
By then. Okay,
Yeah.
I see.
He gave you guys my plate number and all that.
And I mean, that's why, it's important for us, so we have to...
In the end, she was placed into a patrol car and taken to the station.
Hey. I wanted to wait till I had to get home to deal with him.
Alright, Judith, so we've decided that you are under arrest for assault and discount.
Why? What did I do? What did I do?
So we watched the video footage, and this officer here decided that this is what we got, okay? If you want to ask questions, you can talk to her.
They already read the Miranda right. I already read that. What am I getting arrested? How did I assault him?
So assault is not when you hit someone. Assault is when someone is in fear of being battered.
But we weren't in fear of getting run over? No. Really?
Yeah, based on the video.
Wow. Okay, you can stop talking to me now.
61 in custody.
Yeah. Wow. That's crazy. Wow. Can I at least tell my daughter goodbye?
I'll give you that. I'll give you that satisfaction. Yeah.
Wow. Some little millennials. Wow, this is crazy. Wow. They lie through their oh, wow. I love our court system. It's so great. Wow.
Alright, we got your wallet up front, okay? Alright. My mistake, I do have to search you. I forgot we didn't do
There's
that,
nothing
okay?
to search.
I know.
I have no
I
pockets,
just gotta
no
do it for my
nothing.
body cam purposes. I know, I looked at you, you look like you don't got anything, but I gotta do it.
Careful, I pissed myself.
You what?
Yeah, I did. I told you I had to pee. And you know that I have a weak bladder.
Okay, well, if you can, you did already?
Yes.
Okay.
My pants are soaked.
Your pants are soaked? Okay. When did you do that?
You guys
Just
told me
now?
you were arresting me.
Okay, well, I won't touch you there.
I don't have anything in here. I don't even wear
I mean, I
underwear.
took a look at you. I don't see anything.
nothing.
Can you just take out your foot real quick? Yep. Yeah, let me grab this.
This Karen was accused of violence and resisting arrest, demonstrating that she not only used physical force, but also disobeyed police orders, which intensified the conflict and resulted in more severe legal repercussions. It's true that this is a crazy scenario. After the video was shared, let's look at the comments made by viewers. Classic contrarian. She would argue with a fence post, then say the fence attacked her. If this is how she behaves for the cops, imagine what the video showed of her behavior. What a loud mouth. This situation shows that aggressive behavior and refusing to cooperate with police can quickly escalate a situation and lead to more serious legal consequences. Already, this Karen is a complete disaster. Please subscribe to LawFrame to follow more cases similar to this one. What about the next one then? Let's continue to observe.
Moving.
On June 14th, 2024, when a Florida police officer tried to pull over a car for speeding, the driver refused to stop ignoring the siren and lights for half a mile until stopping at a red light.
Hey, roll down your window. Put your car in park. Put your car in park. Because I'm stopping you. Put your car in park. Speeding. Put your car in park. Put your car in park. Put your car in park.
You don't have no jurisdiction over me.
Put your car in park.
You don't have
Put your car in park.
You don't have jurisdiction over me.
25. We're stopped in traffic. Not with a car. Put your car in park. Stop.
Officers followed the lady as soon as she drove off.
One female subject with child in the car.
Dog. Southbound, continuing. Subject advised. We don't have jurisdiction to stop her. $25. What's the apartment number on that address? Ma'am.
You don't have jurisdiction over me. I don't know why you was telling me to stop.
No, I absolutely am telling you to stop. I do have jurisdiction over you. You're within Pinellas County. Okay?
I have jurisdiction over you.
And 10-12, 10-4. Slow everybody else down.
Sadly, her daughter had to watch the entire incident as police stepped in and made the arrest after they ultimately chased her back to her house.
Okay, listen.
Sir, I don't have to listen to you. I don't know why
Absolutely.
you say I was speeding,
Yes,
but
I need your driver's license.
I don't have to give you my driver's license.
You absolutely have to identify yourself.
Where's the proof that I was speeding? How was I speeding if you was behind me the whole time with, I guess,
That way.
with the
Are
lights?
you gonna produce your driver's license or not?
For what, though?
Because I'm stopping you because you're going 51 miles an hour to 35.
What is the probable cause?
That's my probable cause.
51 and a 35.
Where's the proof of that? You was behind
Okay,
me.
I'm not playing this game. Turn around.
Excuse
Turn
me, sir.
around.
You're assaulting me. You're assaulting me. Sir, you're assaulting me. Go get my dad. You're assaulting me. What are
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. You're accosting me. Yo.
Man, put your arm behind your back right now.
Come on. Y'all accosting me. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay.
Don't talk to her. Don't say nothing to her. Not a damn thing. Do not talk to that lady. I don't care.
The woman resisted violently even after cops were able to detain her and transport her to the patrol car.
1055. Yeah, 11015.
You guys are accosting me. This is a lawsuit.
Okay.
Stop touching my daughter,
Bring her to the car. Bring her to the car.
Wait, hold on, wait. I know you. I know you. I know you. Can you please go? Can you please go make sure my daughter good? Like, what the is going on? What's going on? I don't know. He just came and banged on my window, my car window.
Get close to the cruiser for me. Right in your stance. Face the cruiser.
I was at a red light.
I'm gonna let you talk.
I don't want that lady talking to my
Moving.
You ain't got no
Stop.
me. I want all y'all cars. Cause this man, what are you doing?
Stop moving.
Bitch. Yo, y'all gotta be. Yo, alright. Lawsuit.
Okay.
Ma'am, I was at a red light and this guy just came and banged on my dad's window for nothing. I'm like, what the are you doing? He's like, oh, get out the car. I'm like, for what? He's like, oh, well, I didn't even hear what he said. And I'm like, you don't have jurisdiction over me. I didn't do anything. He just tried to get me to, I don't know what the hell happened. So then I just kept going because I don't know you. You have guns. I don't know you.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
This is a lawsuit. I just dealt with y'all.
Continued to make trouble inside the car by yelling and kicking about.
Yo, what the? This is a lawsuit, bro. This is a lawsuit, bro. I swear to God that this guy, I'm at a red light, this guy right here just came out of nowhere banging on the door telling me to get out. This is a lawsuit. I can't believe y'all doing this to me again. You just came out of nowhere banging on my dad's car, ordering me to get out for nothing. Like, what did I even do? I don't even know you. Like, y'all don't have no jurisdiction over me. I'm not even from here. I'm from a whole different state. Y'all done f***ed up.
Yeah.
Dad!
Later, officers checked on her daughter's health and spoke with her father.
Because
He's grandfather taking.
grandfather. Take custody?
Yeah.
Okay.
I gotta go to that crunch.
Chirp my sirens, nothing. So I put my sirens fully on. I'm following her, going down the road with my sirens on.
Yeah.
Almost to the point where I'm following too closely. There's no way that she could not hear my sirens, my beeping and my air horn, as well as the change. I've been giving warnings all day.
Yeah.
What would have been a warning for sitting in that same area. Do you have ID just so I can say who the child is and everything?
Do you want me to try to speak with her?
Yes.
Me and Johnny and 13 have a bit of rapport with her from an incident a couple months back.
Lastly, they asked the woman about the event before leaving for the station.
I never gave him consent to search my stuff. I promise y'all this is a lawsuit. No.
I want to
I'm about to tell you exactly what happened.
Okay,
I'm coming from.
Please do, but don't yell.
I'm upset. He came out. I'm driving. I got scared.
Turn around.
I got
Turn around.
scared.
Put the
'cause
cuffs
I'm
back
like,
behind you.
what
Turn back around.
It slid off because my hand was sweaty.
We got to recuff it. So turn.
Cuff it in the front because
No.
I can't do my bones that far back. I have a health condition.
What's your health condition?
No.
Oh my gosh.
You're gonna do what you're told.
But you don't have no jurisdiction over me. How about that? How about you're gonna do what you're told when I file a lawsuit?
Rotate your body.
Cause y'all accosted me.
You go over there if you want.
Every time I come here, it's something with y'all. This is my second time coming here. Y'all f***ing with me. Like, so he banging on the door and I'm scared at this point. I'm like, why are you banging on the door? He like, get out, get out, get out. I'm like, for what? He's like, oh, get out, get out.
I didn't say get out at all.
Yes, you did. You said.
I said I need your license.
Speak to me. Speak to me.
So he told me to get out.
Hey, roll down your window.
Why are you banging on
Put your car in park.
Why?
Put your car in park.
Why?
Because I'm stopping you. Put your car in park. Speeding.
And I'm like, for what? He was like, I need your license. I need your license. I'm like, what do you need my license for? What is the problem? I'm trying to figure out what the hell. I was on my way to my dad's house.
Okay, and dad's house is here?
Yeah,
Okay.
you know that.
I just gotta double check. It's been a minute.
So, so at that point I'm scared and he don't got no jurisdiction over me. I'm not from here. I come here every here and now to visit
You
my
still up in
dad.
Georgia?
Yes, I stay in Georgia. Yes.
Okay.
My daughter stays here with my dad while I'm in Georgia and I come back and forth
You go
to
back
be
and
a mom. Yes. So, so he just came out of nowhere. He banged like.
What do you think he pulled you over for? You think you were
I
speeding?
didn't care
or-
to know because I didn't do anything.
Okay.
He just now said, "Oh, you was going 51 in the 35."
Listen, I ask you these questions because I wasn't there.
A 51 in the 35.
Okay. So and then what happened?
Do you know how that looks? That would look like real life speeding. Like that's speeding.
Yeah, especially in a whatever zone you're
With the
in.
child in the car. So I'm like, I was not just going 51 in the 35.
Mm-hmm.
I saw him right there. The lady let me over. I signaled for her so I can get over. I got over and I drove.
Is this
He
you
came-
and the baby in the car?
Yes, he came out of nowhere, banging on the car. I'm scared for my life because I had situations with y'all just recently.
Did you hear the siren in the?
No, I'm
See,
not
it's-
thinking
it's-
that I'm not thinking that he has anything to do with me because I did not do anything.
I got you.
I didn't do anything.
I just want to know from your point of view what happened because, like I said, I wasn't there. It was just him and you and baby.
Y'all have no right to do this. You have no probable cause. You have no proof of anything. I just picked up my daughter. How am I doing a 53 and a 35 or whatever he said? How? With the child in the car? How?
I wasn't.
Do you have a speeding radar gun that you shot up and then
He
because
does.
you
He is speed.
That was that. Does that show that I did that? Because I wasn't the only car driving.
So just so you know, when you get pulled over and you leave, that's fleeing.
What?
What you did today?
I didn't get pulled over though. He came to the stoplight and banged on my dad's car. I didn't know.
He activated his lights and sirens.
He didn't say pull over.
We don't have to say pull over.
He didn't activate
A lawful
no.
traffic stop. I'm pretty sure he did, and he could probably prove that to you with body camera and in-car.
Pull your car over. Come on, pull over.
No, I'm talking about where it says I was going 51
So
miles.
Right there on my laser.
No, I want to see where it was that I was the car. Where does it show that I was the car that was?
Point and shoot type of thing.
Exactly. So how do you just go and say that it was me? If it was more than one car
Listen, you can
driving
fight
on
the
the
speeding
road.
ticket in court, but you're going to have to get through your suspended driver's license hearing first with the state of Georgia.
What?
Your driver's license is suspended. State of Georgia suspending your driver's license. You shouldn't be behind the wheel of the car.
Where does it show that I was going 51 miles, such? Where is it?
I just showed it to you, ma'am.
You closing the door? Why?
Because I'm done speaking.
This the last time I'll let y'all put y'all hands on me, bruh. This the last time.
What you for
Me.
This Karen was formally charged with a felony that indicates the seriousness of her attempt to avoid arrest and carries significant legal ramifications, escaping and eluding a law enforcement official and resisting an officer without resorting to violence. Following the video's online release, various people left comments with their opinions. That level of stupidity should be a felony. Driving without a license, speeding, disobeying lawful orders, fleeing, resisting arrest. I did nothing wrong. It's scary how many people who can't handle basic, simple human tasks, but are responsible for raising children. This demonstrates that defying the authorities and making a disturbance simply exacerbates the situation, particularly in front of loved ones. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe to LawFrame for more articles.
You not taking
Stop. On July 2nd, 2024, to carry out a custody order, Ohio police officers arrived at a mother's home.
Hello. Hi. Are you Alexa?
Why?
Are you Alexa?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh my gosh! No, he didn't.
What? Didn't what?
Hold on.
You want to talk with us out here for a second?
Girl, that onion strong.
I'm sorry.
You cooking
Yeah.
chili or something?
Nah, baked chicken and onions.
Okay.
She in there. She's perfectly fine. She's safe.
What do you know about it?
Yes. We've been trying to get away from her daddy for almost 2 years now.
Okay.
Keep finding us everywhere we go. We was just in St. Louis and Columbia. This is an ongoing thing. We used a court case to find where we was at the first time in Columbia. I told them that everything is court documented, but they not trying to help. Trying to make me give her to him, which I just not finna do that. So I really don't know how he got this address.
I don't know either. Do you? So I was trying to just. I was trying to look you up. Where do you have a driver's license through? What state?
In Missouri.
Missouri. Is your name spelled correctly?
Yeah.
And your birthday 5/27/95?
Mhm.
And you have an ID through Missouri?
Mhm.
Okay. Did you get a copy of this? All right. Bad news. This order right here, signed by a judge, issued by the Marion County Circuit Court, says that it is ordered that law enforcement immediately assist Blake in obtaining the physical custody. So she has to go with him today. That's the end of the story.
The woman started weeping as soon as she learned that the father would be given custody of her kid.
I go get my AT.
Listen, you could be charged.
She can't. No, I don't care. I want to get arrested. She's not going with him.
She's going with
She's
him.
not going with him. She's not going with him. Y'all can arrest me right now. She's not going with him. She's not going with him.
So
they already know this. No, she's not going with him.
She's going with him, or she's going with him and you're getting arrested. Which one?
Y'all can arrest me. She's not going with him. Y'all can arrest me. She's not going with him. She's not going with him. He already know that. She's not going with him. If I see her with him, I'm never gonna see my baby again. He has no rights to my child.
This is
He been
signed
in
by
jail
a judge.
her whole entire life. No, he not going with her. No, I don't have money for none of that.
Well, this paper's signed by a judge.
She's not going with him. Y'all gonna have to arrest me.
We are bound by our duty to get her in his custody today. Okay? And you don't need to make that any more traumatic on her than it needs to be,
Because
okay?
if we do arrest you, you know how bad that's going to look on you in front of a judge? So with any hopes you trying to get her right back, and it shows that you got arrested when officers did this, it's going to look really bad. Are you hearing me? Are you hearing me? So I got kids, and I know if I did something and I got arrested, it's going to look really bad on me. And I don't want that to happen to you, okay? You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because if we arrest, it's going to look real bad, and the odds of you getting your kids back right away is going to be slim to none with the way if we end up having to arrest you. We don't want to do that. I'm not trying to get
No, you're fine, man. I wasn't making any progress.
Take her.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
She don't even want to go with him. She in there, y'all can ask her. She don't want to go with him. He abusive. He been beat my ass for years. I want to go with him.
So, regardless of all that, I want to go talk to him, see how much he coming down here.
Can I go get my AT?
I have to come in there with you since the kids. Please listen to me. I'm a parent too. We don't want to arrest you because it's going to make you look bad, dear. Please understand that. Please. I don't want to arrest people. You understand? If we end up having to arrest you,
No, you're not getting her. He's not getting her. We're gonna fight.
Even though she begged her mother for assistance, the choice had already been made.
No, you're not getting her. You're not getting her. You're not getting her.
Don't. It's going to make you look real bad. It's going to make you look real bad. I don't want you in trouble. Please. Let's go in here. You can make phone calls all you want. Let's go in here. Come on. It's not over at this.
It is. It's not.
That's why you got to take the court. Come on, let's go inside.
No, she's gonna come here. Don't come here now. You're not getting her.
or y'all gonna have to arrest me.
I don't want to do that. Look at me. I don't want to. Look at me. I don't want to arrest you.
They've been trying to take her for years. Please.
So why didn't you get an attorney?
Please, because
So listen to me. On a money standpoint, usually they don't want their money until after the court's over with, and a lot of attorneys will do a payment plan, dear. Okay. But this is a court order. It's signed by a judge. Our hands are tied on that. But how you act going forward, that's either going to hurt you or help you. And I don't want you in trouble. Do you understand that? I don't want you in trouble. Because then it's going to look so bad on you, you might not get her back. So if you just... Can you help me calm her down? Can you help calm her down for me, please?
What you saying? What happened?
So we have a court order signed by the judge that the child goes with him. It's signed by the judge.
What judge?
The
Marion County one.
So here's the deal. She's talking about if we take her, she's going to go to jail. We don't want to arrest her because it's going to do nothing but make her look bad. We don't want her in trouble. We don't. So, because then if she tries to go to get the kid back and it looks like she got arrested while we did this, by order of the judge. But please listen to me, dear. By us doing this signed by a judge, if she ends up getting arrested for interfering with this while we're doing it on behalf of a judge, it's gonna look real bad on her, and I don't want her in trouble. I don't. Please trust that.
So
it's signed by a judge. It's not over. It's not over yet.
What is the paper exactly saying?
My supervisor has a copy of it.
What is it now? Let me hear it, baby.
Hey, breathe. Just breathe.
She don't want to go in.
Hey, just breathe, please. Plus, your kid don't need to
We
see
ain't
this.
never been away from each other. She can't go in.
Bound by law.
But you don't want your kid to see you like this,
When did
right?
you do this, Lexi? I don't even know. Today?
But I don't want your kid to see you like this.
They can do that like that
A
without
judge can.
saying anything?
A judge can. That's why I told her. That's why I told her to get an attorney. She's worried about finances. A lot of times, the attorney don't want money until after the case is over. They'll work with you. They really will. But our hands are tied when it's signed by a judge, dear. Okay? And she's talking about we're gonna have to arrest her if we take her. I don't want that because it's gonna look bad on her if she tries to get her kid back.
So, like without saying nothing to you, somebody can take your kid like that?
That's way above our pay grade. A judge signed that order. It's not police.
It's not like we just randomly wanted to show up and take a kid. I'm a parent. I don't like doing this.
She don't want to
It's just this is by a judge.
But where do she get a copy of the paper? Or
What's that?
Does she get like a copy?
Is that her copy?
Or no?
I mean, she, as far as I know, she can have this copy. I have an email copy too, so if you guys want to hold on to this, that's fine. He told me that his lawyer emailed her a copy. I'm not sure if that happened.
So maybe when you were moving around or whatever and you said he keeps finding you, maybe he tried sending stuff when you moved. I don't know. Okay, I'm not trying to paint a bad picture here.
They've been trying to take her for years. Please don't make her go. I'm not gonna get her back.
So
Sorry, they gonna keep her. They're not
So
gonna give her back.
that paperwork doesn't say that he keeps her forever and you never get to see it, right?
That's what they doing, but that's what they've been trying to do for years. As soon as they get her.
This is 7 pages long. It goes into a lot more detail. One of those details.
Listen, girl.
Let me find it. So for the time being, this order grants Alexa alternating weekends on Saturday and Sunday 10 to 4.
She tried to attack her ex-husband, who is also the child's father, as soon as she saw him. Luckily, she was apprehended and restrained by the police in a timely manner.
Lexi! Lexi!
Nope, she just hit him.
I'll press the charge too.
Stop.
I'll press the charge.
Stop.
You're not taking her. Don't let him take her. I just put don't let him take her. I just put don't let him take her. Don't let him take her. No. No. He He can't take her off. He's like, I'm not gonna get her back.
In an attempt to defend herself, her mother even made an effort to step in and oppose the police.
Listen.
Hey,
listen. You want to wind up here too? No.
Get him out. No, get him out of Get him out of her.
Get back.
Get him out. He already got the baby.
You're under arrest.
Got the baby.
You're under
Get him
arrest.
out of her.
Turn around, put your
Get
hands
him out.
Turn around.
Get him out.
Turn around and put your
Why
hands
is he still here if he has the
You're going to
baby?
get sprayed.
Why is he
Turn
still
around and
here
put your
if he
hands
has
behind
the
your back.
baby?
Turn around.
Why is he still here?
Turn around and put your hands behind your
Why
back.
is he still here?
Right now.
Why?
Listen, turn around.
Why is he still here? He agitated her.
Turn around.
Why?
You are under arrest.
Okay,
You're under
make
arrest.
him leave first. We
You're
can
under
all
arrest.
go to jail. Make him leave first.
You are under arrest.
Make him
Turn
leave
around
first.
and put your hands behind your back.
Make him leave first.
Turn around.
Why is he
This
still
is a
here?
public roadway. He can be here.
He got the kid.
You are under
He's
arrest. He
causing.
doesn't have the kid.
Where's she at?
She's inside.
Ultimately, the woman was led to a police vehicle and sent to the station.
We ain't never been away from
I don't
each
want her
other.
to see you like this. So for right now, you're gonna sit here.
I wanted to take my baby.
One for the 7. We have another unit available. Start this one.
This Karen was found guilty of domestic violence and sentenced to 6 months in prison with 150 days suspended and credit for 30 days served. This situation and the girl's response in the release video received a lot of comments. If a judge gives full access to a father who's been locked up, do you realize how bad the mother has to be? Her hate for him outweighs what is best for that child. She is too immature to have a child. This demonstrates how losing control in legal circumstances just exacerbates the problem and has dire repercussions. What a stubborn Karen. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe to LawFrame for more articles. Keep an eye out because the next Karen will react even more fiercely.
You have to take the bag. That's it. Take the bag off.
On August 13th, 2024, a strange woman was reported to the police as walking around and pestering passersby regularly.
You have your ID on you?
Yeah.
127. Put me out in front of 655 1. What are you doing down here?
I'm trying to find my friend.
Where's your friend?
My house, I don't know what house he's in. He told me to come down here, that he was going to come outside, and he's not coming down.
So why you constantly keep stopping? Every time somebody walks past you, you keep stopping them, asking them for something.
Because I want to know where he's at.
So you just ask any random person where he's at?
Yes.
Okay. Where do you live right now?
In Union City.
In Union City.
Yeah.
What's your friend's name?
George Lopez?
George Lopez?
Jose Lopez?
And you're, what, hanging out with, you looking for him?
Yeah.
Where does he live?
Right around here, where he told me to meet him.
Where did he tell you, where did he tell you to meet him?
On 6th Ave or 3rd Ave around there.
You have a phone or?
No, my phone's not around me.
So he's your friend, but you don't know exactly where he lives?
No. He told me to come down to 6th Ave or 2nd Ave. Yeah, I'm looking for him and I can't find
There's
him.
no such thing as 2nd or 6th Ave.
Yes, there is.
No, there's not.
It's on there. 2nd Ave is where the train is.
There's 2nd Street, there's no Ave.
Okay, well, whatever.
That's-
You're just being difficult.
No, there's a difference.
You know, where?
There's a difference.
I'm not normal right now.
Okay.
You're stopping me. I'm hot. Can I have my car back, please?
Not yet. What was your friend's name again?
Jose Lopez.
Jose Lopez?
He was in Jersey City. He said he was going to come up here and we were going to go up to him.
Go to him
He
where?
lives down here?
We have friends down here. We have friends down here.
So he lives down here or he doesn't live down here? You just
We live uptown.
Okay. So you don't, alright, so you and Jose don't live here? Okay.
No.
Alright. So,
uptown where?
He lives on 63rd Street.
You, where do you live?
I live on 17th Street. Actually.
17th Street.
Yeah.
I thought you said he lives around here, George.
He has a house down here, an apartment.
But you just said 63rd Street.
That's another place.
Oh, he has several houses.
Yeah.
Oh, I got you. I understand. Did you hurt your eye? Are you okay?
Yeah, I hurt my eyes today.
What'd you do?
The girl punched me.
You need medical attention?
No, I'm gonna go home. I can't get home.
How do you plan on getting home?
I have to walk the track. It's to go up to New York City. Because I don't want to walk that whole back. And it's to give me a ride. So what are you waiting for? I gotta go.
Oh, we're just waiting.
I'll let you know when you're ready to go.
No, I'm seriously, I gotta go.
Right now, you're not free to leave right now. So if you do walk away, you're gonna be placed under arrest. Okay?
Just a few minutes.
You've been walking around all night. You have nowhere to be.
I know I have to go.
Because if you
home.
weren't stopped just now, you're gonna continue to walk around as
No,
you
I
were
was
on
going
private
home
property
that way.
trespassing.
I was going home.
Please take your hands off your bag and just leave them to your side. Thank you.
Officers approached her, questioned her, and asked whether she had ever been arrested. She reluctantly replied that she had.
When's the last time you were arrested?
I haven't been arrested.
You never been arrested before?
Yeah, I've been arrested before for a fight.
Okay, when's the last time was that?
Like years ago.
2 years ago?
Yeah.
Where at?
In the city.
So for your knowledge, you don't have any warrants or anything like that?
No.
Stop. Stay over here. Stop moving. No, we're not too close.
Yeah, you are. You're like frowning me or something.
Why are you so nervous?
I just want to go.
Okay, but I'm asking you a question. You're making a lot of movement. For what reason?
I'm tired.
You're tired.
Yes, my stomach hurts.
Okay.
So what's going on? You're just standing here.
We're waiting for a response from our police headquarters. We're running your name for warrants.
The cops went to arrest her as soon as dispatch verified that she was facing charges.
All right, take the bag off, please. You're gonna be placed under arrest.
Why?
Please, you have to take the bag. That's it.
No,
take the bag off.
No,
take the bag off. You're gonna make this worse. You're gonna make this worse for yourself. Listen. You're gonna make this worse for yourself. Stop. I'm telling you.
No, I'm not going.
You have a warrant.
I don't have a warrant.
You have a warrant.
Listen.
No, I don't.
Listen.
Let me see
Place
it.
your hands behind your
No.
back. You're gonna make this difficult for yourself.
We're gonna get punched for something else. All right?
Don't take off the bag.
Okay, look. That's it off. All right? Just stop. Let's stop. Can you take this off?
Yeah.
Take it off.
2-7.
You do have a warrant. Once we go up, we'll see what it is. Okay? That's it.
Right, just be advised, I'm gonna have one female 1025. Also be advised that she was resisting arrest. Do you have anything on you I should know about? Anything that's gonna stick me, stab me, or poke me?
No.
Okay.
You have anything
Let's
sharp
walk
on
across
you?
the street.
Yeah.
Anything sharp?
She was led to the patrol car after being restrained.
Stand right here. Spread your legs, please. You want to search it?
Anything on you that's gonna stick us?
Yeah, I got my bike.
You have what?
My bike.
Where is it?
It's in my bag.
It's in your back. Okay, but nothing on your person?
No.
You have a shirt underneath this shirt?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Is that the only pair of pants you have on?
No, I have 2 pants on.
You have 2 pants on?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Is there anything else I should know that's in here?
No.
Just a pipe?
Yeah.
She was ultimately returned to the station for additional processing.
Just stand by.
Is there anything?
Yeah, I'm gonna have. What?
Is that no?
No, not like it's not.
What's on your forehead? Yeah.
Nothing. You have a little scrape right here.
No, on my forehead.
Nothing in your hair.
Put it back, please.
Okay?
Yeah.
Alright, stand up. Alright, I'm coming to put your hands on the wall, okay?
Alright. Take it off me. Take it off me. Then take it off. Hands on, please. Did I hold you? No.
She has 2 pairs of pants on.
2 pairs of pants? Yeah. Okay. Sit down, take your shoes off, and take your pants off. Take a seat. These your shoes?
Yeah.
Thank you. And see by me first. That's it.
This Karen was formally charged with disorderly conduct, possession of drug paraphernalia, and resisting arrest after reportedly making a disturbance in public, being discovered in possession of illicit materials connected to drug use, and refusing to cooperate with police throughout the arrest procedure. This is a ridiculous situation, isn't it? Let's examine what other people thought of the video after it became viral. She is tweaking hard. Her jaw is working overtime. I don't understand how people can live their life this way. It's a waste. Look at her jaw. She is tweaking heavy. Imagine having a drug dealer, and then when you can't find him or remember where he is, you turn to the cops to find him while you've got a warrant for your own arrest. This demonstrates that evading the cops and acting disruptively only exacerbates the situation. What a stubborn person this Karen is. Please subscribe to LawFrame if you enjoy this post so you can get more. Watch out for the next Karen who will respond even more violently.
Why are you putting handcuffs on me?
Hey, don't do that.
Why are you putting handcuffs on me? Stop. Why you beat up? If you bite me...
What are you doing? Why are you doing that?
On February 26, 2025, following allegations of a woman damaging common area vegetation, police were called to a residential development.
Yeah. I'm up there in the windows and I hear this screaming and yelling and then cursing. It's like, that's her, because I'd seen her walk out.
Yeah.
So he's walking up.
Hi. Yeah.
She's ripping out like plants and stuff and all of the Kalusha.
Is she still there or?
No, she just confronted like my next door neighbor and was yelling and saying that
Same
the
thing.
landscapers were
Screaming and
poisoning.
telling walk it down.
Okay.
And then she has like a very active Facebook, and when you were here, you were.
As soon as officers approached, the woman became quite rude and started arguing with the police. Such behavior can be considered disorderly conduct under the law.
Olga, what are you doing? Put the shrubbery down. Yes. Olga, what are you doing?
Nothing, I'm just walking around my property. What do you do?
Why are you ripping out shrubs over there?
Because Mexicans ruined landscape around here.
Okay. You know you can't be doing that, right?
What are you gonna do? Tease me again?
I'm not teasing you, Olga.
Yes,
I'm
you are.
really
You're
not.
gonna arrest me and
No,
get me to
I'm
the
not.
hospital where
No,
your
I'm
mother...
No.
What are you
I'm
gonna
not.
do?
Olga.
What are you gonna do to
Olga. Olga, I just spoke to Jordan.
And?
Okay.
What Jordan
I
has
told,
to do with it?
I
Who
told
is Jordan?
Your
Are you
husband.
recording?
Of course I am.
I don't see it. Press start.
It is Olga.
Who is Jordan?
Jordan's your husband.
Donna called you?
No, Jordan.
Who called you?
The HOA
Who
saw
called?
you ripping out shrubs.
I'm not ripping, I'm clipping. This is a difference. What's
Okay.
your name?
Officer
What
Barker.
is your name?
Officer
Officer
Barker.
Barker. There is a difference between ripping and clipping. Do you know what is the difference between ripping and clipping?
Why are you taking those off? Why are you clipping those?
Do you know
Olga, why are you clipping
Officer
those?
Callahan? This is Callahan, yes.
Officer Callahan. So, what is your name? Are you wearing somebody else's uniform?
No. My new name is Officer Barker.
Oh, your new name is Callahan or your new name is Barker?
My new name is Barker.
Barker slash Callahan. Are you divorced?
No, I just got married.
You just got married?
Yes.
There is a difference between clipping and ripping. What is the difference in English language?
How'd you clip those?
Between
how
ripping
did
and
you clip
clippage?
those?
With my teeth, Officer Callahan.
So
What are you
find
doing
out with
here?
HOA if that's supposed to be there and if she's ruining
Do you
stuff.
know that is a common property that I pay taxes for? Officer Callahan, can you listen to me?
Okay.
Do you know that this is a common property that I pay taxes for?
Okay.
Officer Callahan.
Okay.
Just follow my eyes, please. Do you know this is a...
At that point, they immediately moved to arrest her.
Here, Olga, hold on to it. Hold on.
Stay away from me.
Relax. We're just going to detain you for a second.
Drop
okay?
it. Drop it right now. Let go of it. Let go of it. Drop it.
Let go
Let
of it.
go of it.
Your mother is dead. So is you, Officer Callahan.
Are you threatening me?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I am.
Great. Thank you.
Why are you putting handcuffs on me?
Hey, don't do that. Don't do
Why are you putting handcuffs on me? Stop. Why you beat up? If you bite me,
What are you doing? Why are you doing that?
let me know.
Why are you trying to bite her?
I'm resisting.
Olga, don't do that.
I'm resisting. Breaking my arm.
If you don't stop, I will dry stun you.
Okay.
You understand?
Give me your other arm. Put your arm behind your back.
Now, do exactly what was said. My name is Officer Washington.
Okay, Officer Washington. Welcome to the party.
Relax. Just relax. You need to relax.
Okay.
Let's pat her up.
Yeah, let's sit her on her butt. There you go.
This is mine.
It doesn't matter. Let go of it. It doesn't matter. Let go of it and stop.
Hey,
This is my bag.
It's going with you.
It's my bag.
Listen.
You're gonna tease me because I want my bag?
No.
This is my bag.
You are currently
Don't touch
under
my
arrest.
bag.
Listen.
For what?
You are currently under arrest.
For what?
And you need to just
Read my Miranda rights, bitch.
Sure.
Read my Miranda rights, bitch.
If you fight one of us, I.
Listen.
Read my rights.
Listen. I'm required to warn you before you make any statement that you have the following constitutional rights. You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. The statement you must make, it must be freely and voluntarily. If you cannot afford an attorney, you are entitled to the presence and representation of an attorney of your choice before you make any statements during any kind of questions. If at any time during the interview you do not wish to answer any questions, you are privileged to remain silent. Understand your constitutional rights?
Yes.
Okay. Please, I don't want you to hurt your mouth.
Okay. This is going with me, right?
Yes, it is. Everything is going with you. This is your property.
You just wrote the rights. Whom you read the rights?
Do you want to go to the psychiatric?
I want to go to the police station directly. Okay, let's go there. For what? For what I'm arrested for?
They will let you know what you're arrested for. Because I came afterwards.
Okay, great.
I'm trying to calm down the situation.
Okay. With the what? The teaser? Electronic device you're wearing? Where are we going?
I just told you.
Miss
We're going to
Washington.
We're going to the police station.
You racist?
Are you?
I'm white. Are you
black.
racist? And you were about to use the teaser on a white woman. You fucking Nazi.
Oh,
And she was eventually escorted to the police car to face possible charges.
Okay, well, how
You
about
were
this?
about
I
to
want
use
you
a
to get
teaser
on your
on a
feet.
white woman.
Get on your feet.
Maybe on my knees?
I said
Maybe
on your
I
feet.
should suck your d.
Oh, I don't have
Do
one
you
of those.
have? You have a d, right?
Hey, stop.
Stop that.
Oh, you're hurting me. Let's go. Let's go. My bags. Let's go.
Walk right now. Let's go. Enough is enough.
My bags.
Enough is enough. I try really hard to be reasonable.
I
and
try
calm,
very
but you-
hard to suck your off your stuff.
All right, let's
Get
go.
inside the car.
Go.
Hold on, let me take this out.
Why?
Because I said so. That's why.
Oh, really? Bitch. You said so?
Listen, stop. Leave me fucking alone.
The hair clip is not with
dead.
Olga.
You're
Stop.
Your mother is
All right, let's
dead.
go.
Put your feet
Great.
in.
Where you taking me? To psychiatric hospital?
Yes, let's go.
Bitch.
Let's go.
Nazi bitch. Take my stuff.
So, because I know like HOA pays for that and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Who would I get in contact with about?
Donna at the office. I can get her.
Can you give her a phone call and see if she can come over here? We just want to see if she wants to prosecute for
Okay, yeah, let me get her.
destruction of that, because I don't know how much it's going to cost to replace. And,
Yep. Second time today.
yeah. Yeah, she
Threatened our guys this morning.
she cut one of the officers in the leg. She's got a pretty big cut with the shears that she was cutting.
Hey, Donna. Oh, there's a photo of her. She was ripping out the. That's the trellis that the plant's attached to. You just hear that she just.
Okay, she took that with her?
She was carrying it over to here.
And you guys
This Karen was accused of 2 charges of battery on a law enforcement officer, 1 count of violent resistance to an officer felony, criminal mischief, and making threats of severe bodily harm, all of which are serious crimes that can result in harsh punishments. Everybody has an opinion, and the people who left comments below this video are no different. 2 minutes in, and I know she is the entire problem. She's like the main villain in the worst Bond movie ever. Most annoying pruner ever. The lesson is that aggression and refusing to cooperate with police can lead to serious charges. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe to LawFrame for more articles. We'll move on to the next scenario right away so as not to keep everyone waiting too long.
I'm not dropping nothing.
On February 13th, 2022, a woman who was well over 6 feet tall and threatening employees at a gas station phoned the police.
Hi. Hi.
Morning.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Cold as hell.
Yeah, it is pretty cold out.
Mm-hmm.
What you doing here?
Walking.
Okay, she said that you've been here for a while. Do you mind
No,
if we talk?
she's a lying.
Do you mind if we talk outside, Shakira? Is that okay?
I don't give a damn what we do. You
Okay.
can't identify me as nothing
Okay.
but black in America. Thanks.
Can we talk outside real quick? Grab your stuff?
Who is we?
You and I.
You and I, and who else is out there?
No
There's
one.
gonna be a Greyhound track around this motherfucker touch me.
Okay, I'm not touching you. I'm just asking you if we can talk
They don't
outside.
understand how to mind their own goddamn flea bag ass business.
All right,
Cause I watch your ass while you watch everybody else.
Can you grab
every morning?
Grab your stuff for me.
I don't give a about none of that shit. Can I do this? Can what the f look like I'm doing, ma'am? Oh, you and it's Wisconsin, goddamn ass cheese that is fertile. I don't trust nothing about you.
I'm gonna come back in and talk.
You're a liar. That's why you still here. No, your mama's crazy. No, your mama's crazy. You a stone drunk last
Stop!
night.
Stop! Stop!
Your mama is
Stop talking to her.
Stop. And you sit here and walk around and line the bathroom and
Please
don't
grab
clean
your
up
stuff.
shit. That's why they lock the bathrooms on you.
Okay, please grab your stuff.
The woman remained belligerent when she was outdoors. She acted uncooperatively and constantly reprimanded the police.
So what are you doing all the way over here?
I live in Charlotte County and I pay my
know.
taxes.
I've met you before. You live off of
I don't
Dundee.
give a what you met, what you know about me. You don't know shit about me.
Okay. Well, I'm just saying I met you
You're
before.
not gonna threaten me.
I'm not
Because
threatening
you already
you.
threatened me. She already threatened me.
Okay.
Nobody's gonna touch me.
Okay, I'm not going to. But you understand that I'm going to issue you a trespass warning.
Okay,
and you're going to be
good.
trespassed.
When is the court date?
You're
You're
not-
always saying there's a trespass on me from everywhere.
There's no court date.
Yeah, I'm showing up for everybody trespassing shit. And we're gonna reopen all these links to these addresses or shit for ass like that.
Okay. So I'm going to issue you your trespass
I don't
warning.
give a what you issuing.
Okay.
It's raining.
Yep. So if you don't leave after you're issued that, you're going to go to jail. Okay?
And?
Just letting you know, I'm going to start that trespass warning now.
Go call the cavalry.
Do you need a ride back to your house?
No.
No?
Well, I know it's raining. We want to make sure you got a safe place to stay.
You don't have to make sure of anything, because every time I call the house, a walk up in my house, thinking they're going to tase me from the window.
Okay.
That's just cute.
No one's
when they
tasing
stop my heart. I'm sick of you.
Okay. Well, like I explained, I'm issuing you a trespass, okay?
Blah, 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 man.
So if you don't leave, all right.
Cares.
If you don't leave right now, you're going to jail.
Yeah. Make me. Who's on shift now? Right now.
Do you have stuff?
On shift right now, because I'm going to get that.
Do you have property with you? All your stuff?
Yeah.
Stuff yours over there? Or no?
I don't know what the f over there. I can see over there.
Because at this point, we
She's
issued you
threatening me.
She's not
threatening me the last night. She think that shit is cute.
Listen, we already gave you the trespass warning. At this point, you got to start making efforts to leave. Can we do that today?
Wonderful. We gonna make the effort, and I'm gonna watch that everywhere she goes, and I'm gonna send a troop to control her.
You wanna start going that way you don't get arrested?
Who cares? Who really gives a f? Because I went over there to the watermelon, flea bag ass, and St. Vincent de Paul, fish market, flea market, whatever, watermelons. I go over there to the lodge. I'm a member of the Legion. Every veteran knows me.
Shakira, you've already been trespassed from this location. Can we start moving along? That way you don't get yourself arrested or in any trouble. Help us out. Help us out here. Just
I'm not helping nobody do shit.
All we're asking you is to leave.
You ain't asking me shit.
Okay, I'm telling you.
You ain't telling me shit. I told you to leave me alone. I told her to mind her goddamn P's and Q's.
This is a business.
And it's not running.
Okay.
Today.
Well, you've been trespassed from here. You can't return and you need to leave.
And?
It's called trespass after warning. So you can either leave right now or you can go to jail. Okay?
Let's go to jail. Don't touch me. I'll get in the car.
You need to leave.
Alright, so I'm gonna ask you one last time. Can you leave before we arrest you?
Can we leave before we arrest you?
We're trying to be very understanding.
Where's Lawson?
He's off today. He's
no,
off.
He ain't.
Yes,
no,
he
he ain't. No, he ain't. No, he ain't. He's sitting here watching me.
We're trying to be understanding, and we're trying to get you to move along.
I'm not going to never understand.
The cops had to intervene because the woman would not go. She protested violently as soon as the cops were able to cuff one of her hands. The scenario remained chaotic even after the cops had to restrain her with a taser.
So you're not gonna leave?
I'ma stand right here.
Alright.
Till my ride pull up.
Put your stuff down.
I ain't putting nothing down. I'ma stand right here.
Alright, so I'm gonna place you in cuffs right now because right now you're under arrest. Alright.
Who cares?
Alright, put your stuff down. Your stuff.
Don't push me. Don't touch me.
Why not? I'm trying to. Alright.
Just put your stuff down.
Oh, wonderful.
Alright.
But they always want to take. Don't. I'm not dropping nothing. If you can touch me, bro.
Right. Go for it. I deployed already.
Let's go. It's done now. I'm pregnant, and you keep on tasing me. Thanks. They correct, because I already called my lawyer, Nathan Doherty. If you shoot me again, you won't have to.
You won't let me put you in cuffs?
I'm in cuffs, ain't I?
Alright, come on.
No, you're not going to touch me. You're not going to violate me at all.
Lay on your stomach.
For what?
You're being placed under arrest.
You're violating my human rights. You will not hurt me. You are not allowed to touch me. Lawyer! Oh, the law! Assassination! Take me to jail! crazy. Cause both of them is vulgar law. They trespass every black person that walks in or out of a building. And I'm pregnant.
What are you
6
saying? Lower your
months.
On your feet, come on.
No, I'm not moving. Period. You tired, rodeo cowboy? Now you violated my human rights. Shots fired!
I'm removing. Unfortunately, I'm a pro at this point.
Who cares what you a pro at, my
taser removal.
grab everything you got. Because when the hospital show up, they gonna be in a stretcher. Go ahead and the police phlebotomy vampires. We run GTL. Every person who has ever been in Ancestry.com is linked to me. God bless you. Joe, cause one just now I'ma pump it up. You wanna keep on playing with me? You have to leave. You have to leave. When's my court date?
You want me to get?
It's gonna be a lifetime ban on everybody that touches me now. Don't push it out. Don't push it out.
Relax.
You relax.
Are you gonna get on your feet?
No. I'ma lay right here. Period. Wait for a stretcher. Cause that's what you gonna be on. Shots fired!
Yeah.
Call Soze! Call Kizzy! Call Davis! Call Gloria! Tell them come get me! Cause they think this shit is cute. Cause you got a manager. Don't grab me. I told you to leave me alone. I'm not Shakira.
Okay.
Thanks. You allow people to steal from me and my family?
Are you gonna get up?
No, I'ma sit right here. And if you hit me one more time, you know that is lethal injection. Cause I'm subpoenaing you to the Supreme Court. I'm taking this straight to the fucking door. You think y'all gonna wage war on women? Human rights, you know the Constitution. You don't own shit but your and you don't own shit either.
Can we get you to get up?
You're not gonna get up?
Nope, I'm laying right here. Cause y'all forced my hand. Go ahead and hit it. Go ahead and hit it. Hit the GTL Live. Worldwide News. World Star. I don't give a
Okay.
But I'm not going to no facility, no hospital.
You're not going to
gonna check
hospital.
my we're going straight to the door.
Shakira.
Cause I'ma sit there for 7-11 years.
I need you to calm down.
No. I told you calm down. Just cause you white, you think you better than somebody?
Nope.
You ain't got no kids, right? Or you just gave away a and people get because of dumb like you. You got all the sense.
Did you deploy yours?
No.
That's not. It's all good.
Go ahead and keep on stopping my heart. That's why my heart keep on pumping. Took one bus cut Arcadian, a 4.5 semicircle, and I said alert, 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 alert. Yeah, you already stopped my heart. Thanks.
You gonna get up?
No.
Alright, so we're gonna force you to get up.
It's one. Yeah, if you could. I don't know whose it is at this point.
Not to touch me.
Are you gonna help us get you up?
How am I gonna help you when I told you to back away so I could walk, right? You don't give a you going to the door with this.
The woman kept acting in her unpredictable manner as she was led to the vehicle.
Man, you do what you like, not what you want. So you won't carry me around like a flea bag. Wonderfully. I'm not getting up. There are lawsuits against every hospital linked to my name. That. Now I've imprinted hex on that. I warned her not to talk to me. I warned her not to touch me. I wanted her to stop commanding me to do shit. She don't know me. I don't want shit, bro.
We're gonna take this.
Because I'm going to the Veterans Hospital. It's already paid for. I am a trained tactical assassin. Very cute, per usual. Now, who is the owner of Food Mart? A Hindi. Assalamu alaikum, my guys. Where's Toby Maguire? Cause she the reason why that old lady got double tapped on the camera. Toby Maguire, Nancy Kerrigan, same. Fetty Wap, let's get it rocking for the 99 and the 2,000s. Cash Money Records taking over. Let's get it. Wish I thought I said something per usual.
Yeah, just throw them anywhere.
Who cares what you will? Who cares?
The Karen may be charged under Kentucky law with disorderly behavior, resisting arrest, and perhaps making terroristic or menacing threats. Depending on the seriousness of her behavior and any records, these charges may result in probation fines or jail time. This is a ridiculous situation, isn't it? Let's examine what other people thought of the video after it became viral. Damn, and respect to those cops, because as a grown-ass man, I would run from that. She's definitely a danger to herself and others. Ain't no way they took her to jail instead of a mental hospital, man. The lesson is that aggression and refusing to cooperate with police can quickly lead to serious legal consequences. What do you think about these situations? Comment below to share your thoughts and like this video if you want to continue calling out such cases. To stay updated, don't hesitate to subscribe to LawFrame for more content.